This is a video of Alex working cows. She's one of my young youth riders, and we're working here on working the cow, but that's not really the point of the lesson that I want her to learn right here in this ride. And this is a lesson that everyone needs to ride. Many adults need to master this skill and don't. What I want her to master is being able to keep her hand down and ride the horse wherever that horse goes, and the cow is pulling the horse along so that she rides and stays centered on the horse, not and with turning loose the control. That's where a lot of people struggle. They want to control every step, and as soon as they lose that control, they really get kind of flustered on the horse and have a hard time staying confident. So being able to put your hand down and turn loose of that control goes a long ways towards building your confidence. So let's take a look at Alex and let's see how this goes with her.
Keep your hand down. Hand down. Hand down. Hand down. Good. Keep your hand down. Hand down. Kick. Come on, kick. Keep your hand down. Keep your hand down and kick. Come on, kick. Put your hand down. Kick. Why are you pulling? Come back over here. Come over here. Walk him around. You gotta quit pulling it, guys. Kick. Keep your hand down. You're doing really good. Keep your hand down.
You're gonna have to push hard.
There you go. Keep your hand down. Yeah, he likes it a lot. Keep your hand down and keep going. This is really good for her to just sit there.
Yeah.
Because she really don't know where it's going. Keep going. You're doing really good.
Yeah, she's really got to pay attention to what he's doing.
Watch the cow. Whatever direction the cow goes, you know that's where he's going to go. You're good. You're doing really good. Kick. There you go. All right, now you can pull off and stop. Good job. Walk around. Give him a break.
He wants to get back on that for
Okay, Alex. Same thing. Just like you just did. That was really good. Right up to the cow. Put your hand out.
That's it. Yeah. So she's over by your house. I'm like,
Yeah.
Come here.
Come here.
It's a penalty and a fine if your horse fights the cow.
It's okay. Right now we need Alex to learn to just sit there. Kick. Watch the cow. Keep your eye on the cow. Kick. There you go. Alright, stop and walk away.
get off of that road.
That was really good.
You're going straight.
So that whole time Alex had her hand down on his neck and not really doing any steering. We'll work on some steering later. The steering's actually going to come from her legs. But she had her hand down on his neck, and just when the cow would get in the corner or when we needed to add a little bit more forward, I was just having her kick. And that's really all that was happening there. Her hand was down on the horse's neck, and when she needed more go, she would kick. And this helps to build her confidence as a rider, that she will stay on whatever that horse does. And it's a skill that everybody needs to work on, and this is things that a cow will teach you. Here Raven is working a cow with Bug, and she's further along, so she's doing a little bit more working on positioning. She is using her hands a little bit, but she's putting her hands down when she needs to turn loose and let the horse concentrate on the cow. The cow or the horse really cannot concentrate on what your hands are doing and the cow at the same time. So you generally will do one or the other. All this practice is working towards showing and working cow horse, and I'll put a link here so you can see what the end product looks like. Until next time, thank you for watching.